Bye-bye, parents. What would be your message to me on my journey?
Have a wonderful trip.
Yeah.
To the lake.
Wish you every success and be safe.
Oh.
Be safe. And we'll walk Penny every day.
Yeah, Penny will be spoiled
and
rotten.
We won't look her in the cupboard.
And we won't take her water skiing.
Disappeared. And is that really what you want? To feel so insignificant? A tiny plankton in an ocean. I do admire your devotion.
Made it, and it's obviously raining, which I need to get used to really. Luckily the camera is waterproof, so bring it on. So I'm just about to start my hike to Silver Howe. It's a really nice day and doesn't actually seem that busy now I'm here, maybe because I've started a little bit later. It's going to be less busy, so we will see. I've already come quite a ways. Yeah, this is quite an easy one, but as you can hear I'm out of breath because it's been a while. I've got my cap on today, but didn't actually put any sun cream on, so might get a little bit burnt. The air is so fresh. Hello, morning.
Oh, afternoon.
Oh yeah, I think it is now, isn't it? I'm really warm. So yeah, when we get up the top there might be a nice cool breeze, which will be a treat. And now we can see Grasmere Water, which is just here. Not gonna lie, I definitely feel like dumping my head in this. It's still quite cold really. Beautiful. Starting on the second bottle of water now. Very important to keep hydrated. This bit's nice and flat. This is how you shift that lockdown weight.
Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you. And the rest of your holiday. Just eating my lunch. There's a few people up here, so I didn't really want to like talk on the camera because it's a bit weird. But yeah, made it really beautiful views, as you can see. So you can see all the way to Windermere over there. You see that lake in the distance just here? That's Windermere. How nice is that? It's beautiful. Don't know if you can see, there's loads of like little flying ants kind of swarming, so I'm gonna maybe start walking back. There's like swarms and swarms and swarms of flies now descending on the path where I like came up. So I'm going to try and go down here instead. It's a little bit more interesting for you as well because you get some different views coming down, and yes, we get to see some Herdwick sheep, which are hands down the most adorable sheep in the world. Some sheep up there going a bit crazy. It's like the most shrill kind of gurgling bar sound I've ever heard in my life. Listen. You alright, mate? What's going on? So this has actually looped me round. So that's Silver Howe there where I've just been. So it's almost like a full circle I've done just around the top there. Two of them. Can you see them? Just going past Fairfield now. I'll try and zoom in on those maybe. Yeah, so apparently there's like an RAF base over there, so you do get these like horrific warplanes flying over. And we're back at Grasmere. Well, that was lovely. I think I'm going to go get myself a drink now.